Good morning kids, how are you? Today is Friday and I am here with your drawing subject. Today we will revise how to draw a kite. But today I will teach you one more thing, one new thing, that is paper activity. Kids, I will teach you how to make a kite with the help of paper. Okay? Now we start. Watch carefully. See, I have made two kites for you. One is big kite and one is small kite. Okay, these are paper kites. Paper kites. Okay, but before that we will revise how to draw a kite. I hope you have done practice. Now start. As you know, we will draw slanting line, then slanting line in right side, then lower side also, and we'll join it here. Now standing line from top to bottom line, ऊपर से नीचे, then curve line like this. Okay, now what to do? We'll start from here and slanting line this side, slanting line this side, and we'll join it with the help of slipping line. Okay, you can draw this also and thread also. Now eyes, nose and smile. Kite is ready. Before that you have to draw margin all of the side and write down date 19th June 2020. Okay children, now I will teach you how to make a kite with the help of paper. This is paper activity. See, this is a paper kite. First of all, we need one paper. Any color you can use, kids. See, we need square shape. How to cut it? See, fold paper like this. We'll fold it from the corner and cut it with the help of scissor. See, after cutting you will get square shape. Square shape, you know, all sides are equal. Okay, now what to do? I am using orange color and this is a square shape and I will fold it like this, not this. Okay, like this, corner to corner. Okay, now open it and keep it here. You can paste it also, and if you want to paste it. If you don't want to paste, don't paste it. See, Now we'll make this portion. For this portion, what to do? Again, from the corner side we will fold like this and cut it with the help of scissor. Okay, now this is a triangle. Okay, triangle, and I am using magenta color, pink, magenta, whatever, and I'll paste it with the help of glue, Fevicol or Fevistick, anything you have. Okay, see, now what to do? We have to make eyes. For eyes, you have to draw circle. See, circle on the paper. Okay, can you see? Circle on the paper and cut it with the help of scissor. You can take help from your mother. Okay, first you draw, then you cut it with the help of scissor. See, I already made. Now I will paste eyes. Now what to do? What is left? Smile, eyebrow and eyeballs. See? With the help of black sketch pen, I will draw eyeballs, then eyebrow. And now smile. Our kite is ready. I hope you like it and you will do practice at home. See, I have 3 kites now. You try to make it. If you find any difficulty, take help your mother. Okay, make it at home. Okay, bye bye. Meet you on the next Friday.